they have changed stuff since the last time I've been here. Here is a testing station. They have a little bookshelf with books here, and then the artwork has been moved over here. Here's a nice gold frame. This would be good for Ryan's room. I don't see a price on it. Sometimes the art is priced, but this is not. I'm gonna add it to my cart. It's a giant bowl. It is broken though. Oh, what's this? That's pretty. Love the inside. Lafax, leaf, and fax. I don't know. It's cute. We're gonna add it to the cart. Ooh, love the frame. I know this is the back. Sometimes the backs are prettier than the front for the patina. All right, we need that too. What else is in this bin? We're off to a good start. Okay, add to cart. Ooh, I like this frame too. This looks like some corn dog sticks. You know what I mean? Do y'all see what I see? Finding 90s gooses is like finding gold right now. Look at this thing. Looks like it's messed up a little bit right there, but I think I can fix that. All right, this is coming home with me. Add to cart. Here's a pretty chair. $5.99. It looks like it's missing some finials right here, but that's an easy fix. The back is in excellent condition. If you don't like the red, you could just recover it. Only $6 for this. Here's a vintage piece. It is missing a drawer at the bottom. Look at these two little drawers, how cute. They open really well. It's missing the handles right here. $15. What you think? For $15, is this piece worth rescuing? What is that wood thing over there? Okay, I think it's a duck. But what in the world is this thing? I think you turn this and then something happened here, but I'm not sure. It's all broken. Here is a mat with a Christmas tree cutout. I think this could be a fun thing to DIY around Christmas time. Looks like there's some lace in here, some ribbon, to see if there's any ones that I need. I do have a lot of lace right now, so I'm not sure if I need any more. Some blue. I think this is candles, yeah. Oh, it's LED candles. They look very realistic. Ooh, this is pretty. Is this blue onion? There's no markings on it. I haven't seen a bowl like this before. It does have some older chips on it, but I can't leave this behind, right? This has to come home with me. I love the shape of this little metal piece, which I think it is for florals. It has some rust and all on it. I just think it needs a paint job. That is cute. Add to cart. This might be the biggest typewriter I have ever seen. What is this? It is a calendar. And look at the pictures, how cute. Oh my gosh, look at the chubby little legs. These are precious. I want to get this and just use these images for artwork. And I got a bunch of frames today. So yeah, definitely look at stuff like this. And if you like the images, all you got to do is cut it out and frame it. Also, when I find books, I'll look through them real quick and see if they have any images that I like. They just brought out a new bin and I grabbed two things. I got this book. I'm not crazy about the color. It's a newer book. But look at the decoed pages. So I think I want to do a little DIY makeover on this book. And I grabbed this belt. It is leather. It's small, but I have an idea for it. So add to cart. All right, I told y'all it was gonna be a quick trip. I could not stay long, but honestly, I am surprised with how much I got over here for just being here maybe 20 minutes. So leave a comment below. Let me know what is your favorite item that I got. I will put a total on the screen of what I spent on this cart of stuff, and I will see y'all in the next thrifting adventure.